Welcome back to my channel. Today is an exciting day as I'm going to be doing my first modification, which is the stubby antenna. I've had this car for about a year and a half now and it's completely stock, and I've decided now is the time to add some personal touches to it. We can take a look at the original antenna and it's quite a ridiculous size if I'm honest, and I feel that it ruins the look of the car. I've also caught my arm on it a couple of times when I get out the car and walk towards the boot, which is a bit annoying. Ideally I would have preferred it if Mazda came up with a better design for the antenna, but the stubby is the next best thing. We can compare it here to the original antenna and it's almost 4 times the length of the stubby, which is crazy. It's very easy to replace. You just simply unscrew the old antenna and then screw on the stubby. You might want to check for any dirt and give it a quick wipe before installing your new antenna. Now the car looks so much better already. It's amazing how such a small change can make this much of a difference. I've also tested the radio signal, as I've seen a few people online complain about poor signal with the stubby antenna. So far everything seems to be working well, but let's see how it goes for a few weeks or months and I'll share an update if I do have any issues. So that's all for today, fairly short video. Next week will be a big one, so you definitely don't want to miss it. Please like the video if you enjoyed it and subscribe for more content, and if you have any questions please leave them in the comments and I'll see you next week.